Hey guys, a quick review of a Meyerco knife. I bought this knife a few months ago, and it has been a office knife since then. And it's like everybody's office knife. So everybody who needed it just took it and do whatever they want to do, and then just return it to me. It's been through anything that can happen in an office. It has cut mangoes, apple, orange, bananas, plastic, paper. Probably went through some tuna fish can also. I don't know. And I have sharpened it. It's been scratched. It's been dropped. I have never tightened down the pivot, and the blade is still centered, and it has become really loose. I mean, in a good term, in a good sense. You can open the flick out the knife easily. There's no up down play, but there's a little bit of side to side plays, as you can see there. But I think it can be adjusted. This knife cost me $30, so it's actually a very inexpensive knife. It's hollow grind. It's made by Meyerco and designed by a Darrel Ralph, and he's a really good custom knife maker. And this is just one of his more economical, high value collaboration work with Meyerco. The scale is carbon fiber, both sides. Although the carbon fiber here, I don't think it's of a very high quality, because I don't see the weave really uniform. But I might be wrong, because I'm no expert in carbon fiber. But I have seen better, that I can say. It's liner lock. The lock is stay in the middle, so it's really good. The steel liners, it's not drilled, and the weight it's okay. It's 4.4 ounces and with 3.5 inch blade, so it's not heavy. So maybe that's why they didn't drill the liner. The blade's really slim, so fits really good in the pocket. It's up and down carry, but only for left-hander. The thumb stud are really useful if you don't like the flipper system. The grind is pretty good. The steel is ACR MOB13, which is a Chinese steel. And as you know, this knife is made in China, but it has a pretty good value for $30. This is a nice looking beater knife with multi-purpose use. The blade's not really thick. It's about this 2.5-3 millimeters. So it's decent. It's decent. The touch, there are some sharp corners, but it's acceptable for a $30 knife. The clip, I don't like the tip of the clip, because sometimes it hurts when pulling out. other than that, this fulfills a $30 knife job. So actually even more. I'll probably give it I'll probably spend more than $50 if on this knife if they sell it for that. So for $30 I think it's a bargain. There's the cool design here is the bolsters. Not many knife at that price gets you a bolster because that's extra work, and on top of that they have like a curvy line bolster instead of a straight line. Carbon fiber is also, I'm sorry about my sneezing, I'm getting allergies I think. Carbon fibers is expensive material, and to put the carbon fiber in this knife, I think Meyerco really want to give a good looking product with a very affordable prices. Open body with two standoffs, and I think that's about it. This is pretty good knife actually. You don't see many of these online right now. I think it's all sold out. So if you want a really good looking gentlemanish high value knife, I think this might be a really good choice. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.